Pi Network's mainnet is coming. Listen up. This is big. After years of anticipation, the moment everyone's been waiting for is finally within reach. Whether you're a longtime Pi miner or just curious about what all the buzz is about, you're about to witness a major milestone in the world of digital currency. For years, people have been tapping a button, watching their Pi grow and wondering if it's real. Every day, millions have checked their phones, joined communities, and speculated about the future. Some doubted, some hoped, but everyone kept mining, waiting for proof that their efforts would pay off. Well, the wait is almost over. The dawn of a new era for Pi is just around the corner, and the excitement is building like never before. On March 14, 2026, Pi Network will complete its full mainnet launch. This date isn't just another day. It's a turning point that will be remembered by the entire Pi community. This isn't a test, it's the real deal. The day Pi becomes a true cryptocurrency you can use, trade, and spend. Imagine being able to buy goods, pay for services, or even exchange Pi for other currencies, all with the digital coins you've been collecting. Think of it like a car finally rolling out of the factory and hitting the open road. After years of design, testing, and anticipation, it's ready to go. No more waiting in the garage. Your Pi is about to become a real asset, not just a number in an app. It's something you can actually use, something with value that you control. This is a milestone for millions who believed in Pi from the start. It's a celebration of patience, belief, and the power of a global community coming together for a shared vision. All those daily taps, about to pay off. The time and effort you put in are finally turning into something tangible, something you can show for your dedication. Pi is moving from a closed experiment to a public blockchain with real utility and value. It's stepping out onto the world stage, ready to be used by anyone, anywhere. It's a new chapter, and you need to know what it means for you. What changes? What stays the same? And how can you make the most of this opportunity? We'll break it down. No tech jargon, just what matters. What is Pi? Why has it captured the imagination of millions? And what makes it different from other cryptocurrencies out there? How did you get it? What was the process, and why did so many people join in? We'll look at how Pi's unique approach made it accessible to everyone, not just tech experts. What should you do to get ready? There are a few important steps to take before the big day, like verifying your account, understanding your wallet, and making sure you're set up for success. We'll cover what changes on March 14th and why this is a game changer for everyday people. This isn't just for crypto enthusiasts, it's for anyone who wants to be part of the future of money. This is about your money, your future, and your piece of the pie. It's about taking control of your digital assets and being ready for what comes next. The countdown is on. Are you ready? Let's dive in and get you prepared for the next chapter in the Pi Network story. Let's get to the basics. What is Pi Network? If you've ever wondered how you could get involved in cryptocurrency without spending a fortune or learning complex technology, Pi Network might just be the answer you're looking for. Imagine joining the world of crypto without expensive gear, technical know-how, or even needing to understand blockchain jargon. That's Pi's big idea, making digital currency accessible to everyone, no matter their background or experience. Created by a team of Stanford graduates, Pi Network was designed so anyone, your grandma, your mailman, your college nephew, or even you, could join the crypto revolution right from their phone. It's about breaking down barriers and making sure no one is left out. With Pi, you can mine coins on your smartphone. There's no heavy lifting, no need for powerful computers, and it won't drain your battery. All it takes is a tap a day, and you're earning digital currency as part of a global network. That's why Pi exploded in popularity. Suddenly, millions of people who felt left out of the crypto world finally had a way in. It's not just for techies or investors, it's for everyone who owns a smartphone. Pi's mission is bigger than just launching another coin. It's about building a cryptocurrency that's truly for everyday people, not just a select few. The vision is to create a digital economy where everyone can participate, contribute, and benefit. The ultimate goal? To become the world's most widely used crypto platform, a place where anyone, anywhere can transact, build apps, and connect with others, all powered by Pi. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, which are often concentrated in the hands of a few early adopters or big investors, Pi aims to put the power of digital money into the hands of millions of ordinary people. It's a vision for a more inclusive, decentralized future, one where financial opportunity isn't limited by geography, wealth, or technical skill. People joined Pi not just for the promise of digital money, but to be part of a global movement that values community, trust, and shared success. Pi focused on people, not just technology. It's about building relationships, supporting each other, and growing together as a community. By letting users earn Pi on their phones, it gave everyone a real stake in the project's success. Every tap, every invite, every conversation helps build the network stronger. Now, with tens of millions of users worldwide, Pi's ready-made community is its greatest strength, and it's just getting started. So, how does mining Pi on your phone work? It's simple. Download the app, get an invite, and tap the lightning bolt once a day to prove you're real. That's it. No battery drain, no complex setup. Early members earned more, so Pi became scarcer as more joined. You could boost earnings by building a security circle. Trusted friends who also use Pi, invite others, and you both earn more. This referral system helped Pi grow fast. Daily check-ins, security circles, and invites made crypto accessible to anyone with a smartphone. Pi turned earning crypto into a team effort. Now comes the crucial step in your Pi journey, moving your Pi to the mainnet, where it truly becomes part of the blockchain. This is the moment many pioneers have been waiting for, as it marks the transition from test phase to real-world value. Up until now, your Pi existed only as points within the app, representing your mining efforts and participation. Mainnet migration is what transforms those points into actual cryptocurrency, giving your Pi real value and utility. The first step is to complete KYC, Know Your Customer, a quick but essential identity check that ensures the network remains fair and secure for everyone. The app will walk you through the KYC process, making it easy to verify your identity and set up your official Pi wallet. Be sure to guard your passphrase carefully. It's your private key to accessing your Pi, and losing it means losing access to your coins. Once you're verified, you'll be able to migrate your mined Pi to the blockchain, making it officially yours and ready for use. Migration happens in several phases, starting with your base mining rewards. This ensures a smooth and secure transition for all users. Bonuses from your referral and security circle will migrate only after your team members complete their own KYC, so encourage your circle to finish their verifications. If you haven't migrated yet, don't worry. Just complete your mainnet checklist in the app and keep an eye out for your migration invitation. The migration process is ongoing and will continue even after the official launch, so everyone will get their chance. Soon, your digital IOUs will become real, spendable Pi, opening up new possibilities for transactions, trading, and more. Get ready for your Pi to go live and become a part of the global cryptocurrency ecosystem. Let's talk numbers. Pi's total supply is capped at 100 billion coins. 65% goes to the community through mining, 20% to the core team, 10% to the Pi Foundation, and 5% for liquidity pools. Coins are released as users migrate their mined Pi, so no one dumps huge amounts at once. The core teams and foundations shares unlock in sync with community migration. Your transferable balance is your share of the 65 billion community coins. As more people migrate, the circulating supply grows. The slow release and declining mining rate aim for long-term stability. It's not about quick riches, it's about building a sustainable digital economy. Pi's design is all about fairness and steady growth. March 14th, 2026. The mainnet is open and everything changes. Your Pi is now a real cryptocurrency on a public blockchain. The walled garden is gone. You control your Pi in your wallet. Developers can now build apps and marketplaces where you can use Pi for real goods and services. Pi payments will power games, social apps, and more. Pi can be listed on exchanges, letting you trade for other crypto or cash. This gives Pi a real-world price and connects it to the global financial system. The focus shifts from earning to using Pi, spend, trade, or hold. It's your choice. The mainnet launch is just the beginning of a new digital economy. Now, Pi's true utility and value will be put to the test. Pi network is built on fairness and security for all. KYC ensures one person, one account, no fake users hoarding coins. Security is key. Your wallet passphrase is your responsibility. Lose it, and your Pi is gone. You're your own bank. Total control, total responsibility. The core team works non-stop to keep the blockchain safe from attacks. Pi's user-friendly app shields newcomers from crypto's usual complexity and scams. Clear instructions and education help users avoid costly mistakes. Mining is based on engagement, not expensive hardware. Your daily check-ins and security circle build trust and earn rewards. Pi's system rewards participation and trust, not wealth. Mainnet is live. What's next? Explore the Pi browser app to discover new apps, games, and marketplaces built on Pi. Using Pi in these apps helps build its real-world utility. Take time to learn how to send, receive, and manage Pi safely. The core team and community will offer guides and support. Community governance is coming. Pi holders will help shape the network's future. You'll have a voice in proposals and decisions. Keep building. Give feedback, help others, or even create your own Pi app. The Pi App Studio makes it easy to innovate. Whether you're a user or creator, your participation drives Pi forward. The launch is just the start. Now it's up to the community. As Pi's mainnet launches, what does it mean for the future? This is the largest crypto distribution ever, giving millions a new financial tool. Pi's goal isn't just speculation, it's real-world use and utility. Success will be measured by businesses accepting Pi and useful apps built on it. Pi proves crypto can be accessible, social, and user-focused. It's a new blueprint for the industry, prioritizing people over tech. The mainnet launch is the start of a new era, empowering everyday people. The world is watching as millions finally get their piece of the pie.